Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol AGEN. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. That does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Did this analysis last week at some point. I don't remember when, but after today's price movement, definitely some updates here need to be made. First level to talk about from a support standpoint, I believe did a great job of holding that support. Yeah, is right here at about $3.10. And this is just, good old-fashioned technical analysis here where the rule states when levels of resistance are broken. So let's just first establish that this area was indeed a level of resistance. Keyword being area. Remember, support resistance levels are not exact specific levels. But when areas are broken of resistance, which it was broken right there, you want to see them act as support. So in the pullback here, just a thing of beauty, got right down around that 310 area and got the nice little miniature bounce right there. So my point here is that $3.10 is that ideal level of support. I say ideal because in the event the price drops down below it, by no means does that imply the entire chart's broken or ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price can stay up above the 310 mark, that would be a huge sign of power. Now, taking a step back and looking at things from more so a big picture point of view, that is where the purple line here comes into play, the famous 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. As time goes by, that line is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very basic yet highly effective way to judge the health of the move. This right here being defined as quote-unquote the move. Just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, that would be the ideal situation. And that would, pretty much just tell you that, the bulls are in full control from the grand scheme of it all. So yeah, again, staying above 310 would be great, but taking a step back, looking at everything, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. As far as where the sellers are hanging out at and resistance, pretty straightforward here. The party stopped today right up around $3.40-ish cents, give or take a few pennies. So that'll be the general area of congestion to keep an eye on from a resistance standpoint. All in all, though, as long as the price keeps on doing what it's already been doing, which is just building these higher bases, that is the name of the game. So if you picture those as stair steps, then yeah, as long as these higher stair steps continue to be built, everything else will take care of itself, including breaking levels of resistance. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.